Hello, welcome to this week's episode. My name is Tom Forbes. Thanks for joining me. First up today, we have now crossed over the 300 subscriber mark. Thank you very much to all those who have subscribed. I greatly appreciate it. This week's episode is all about the Gold Coast's, or one of the Gold Coast's oldest buildings. Can you picture it? Well, you've actually seen it already in this video. We took this morning's photograph with the cyclists in front of one of the Gold Coast's oldest buildings. Today, you're going to learn the fascinating history about this place and that building before it all became about beaches, bikinis and board riders. Let's go. When you think of old Gold Coast suburbs, you think of places like Surfers Paradise, Main Beach and Southport. Nope, we are off to a place called Tallebudgera. Welcome to the Tallebudgera Post Office. The former Tallebudgera Post Office was officially opened in 1878. Tallebudgera was located along the main stock route between Queensland and New South Wales and was a stopover point for the Cobb & Co coaches. The post office closed in 1958, that's 61 years ago, and quickly fell into rack and ruin. I know you want to look inside, but I don't have a key, unfortunately. Basically, it's 2 rooms with a set of shelves. It's very dark, and it's probably full of spiders and snakes. In 2002, it was bought by the Gold Coast City Council. They spent 2 years restoring it, and it's now been placed on the Heritage Register, which means, thank God, it can't be touched. This isn't the only historic building on Trees Road here at Tallebudgera. Just up the road is the Uniting Church. It was built in 1888, that's 30 years after this was built. Let's have a look. In the 1870s and 1880s, a number of businesses sprung up around here. They included the Rose and Crown Hotel for travellers, there was a blacksmith, there was the post office obviously, also some stables. Timber getters began moving through the heavily forested Tallebudgera area in the mid-1840s, opening the way for the early settlers. By the early 1870s, Tallebudgera was a permanently settled area. The population mainly consisted of timber getters and small crop farmers, with dairy farming becoming important in the area in the 1890s. Now Tallebudgera, or Tally as the locals like to call it, is home to more than 3,600 people. While we're doing all things old, let's go and visit the manager.
Alright, I'll have a look. Yeah.
Hi manager.
Hello.
Did you watch last week's video about TripAdvisor?
I haven't watched it yet. Is that bad?
Did you see the one before about my cycling crash?
Yes, I did.
Okay, that's alright. So this is the new space, is it?
Yes, this is part of the new space. So we're just getting some cabinetry that's going in there and another TV up there. This will be like a second boardroom. Support staff desk here and then another 4 lawyers' offices.
That's it from me this week. Thank you very much for watching. Did you like this week's video? Was it a bit too ye olde worldy? Let me know in the comments below. See you next week. Bye.